Our planet is home to several breathtaking creations, ranging from towering mountains to vast oceanic expanses and other remarkable natural wonders. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 10 greatest natural wonders of the world and discovering the beauty, majesty, and awe that our world has to offer. So yeah, let's get right into it. At number 10, we have the Blue Cave. The Blue Cave is located on the island of Bisijevo, off the coast of Croatia. It's a natural creation that'll leave you in awe. The cave's interior is illuminated by a mesmerizing blue glow created by the sun's rays passing through an underwater opening. This phenomenon occurs between 11 a.m. and noon, when the sun's position is just right. The blue light radiates across the water, casting an ethereal glow on the rocks below, which glimmer with a subtle iridescent light. To reach the Blue Cave, take a guided tour from the nearby town of Komizia on the island of Vis. The tour will take you on a scenic boat ride to the cave, where you can swim in the crystal clear waters and experience this wonder up close. Our ninth wonder of the world is Old Faithful, nature's clockwork wonder. In Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming, United States, Old Faithful enchants visitors with its predictable eruptions. This towering cone geyser shoots steam and water up to 180 feet into the air, erupting every 44 minutes to 2 hours. The geyser's eruptions are caused by hot molten magma heating water beneath the surface, creating steam that bursts forth in a spectacular display. The viewing area has bench seating, a large parking lot, and a visitor center that tracks eruption times, heights, and lengths to predict the next one. Eruptions vary in height from 100 to 180 feet, lasting between 1.5 to 5 minutes. Old Faithful erupts around 20 times daily, with prediction times posted in the area. Remember to stay safe and enjoy the awe-inspiring display from a distance, as water temperatures can reach 204 degrees Fahrenheit and 95.6 degrees Celsius during eruptions. Then, we have the Dead Sea. Located between Israel and Jordan, this landlocked salt lake is the Earth's lowest point, at 423 meters below sea level. Its waters are famous for their extraordinary healing properties, with a density that allows swimmers to float effortlessly. And for thousands of years, people have sought out the Dead Sea's mineral-rich waters to ease arthritis discomfort, soothe skin conditions, heal allergies, and boost circulation. To put things into perspective, the Dead Sea's unique composition has 26 beneficial minerals. The surrounding air is equally beneficial, with minimal dust and allergens, making it a popular destination for those seeking respiratory relief. Visitors come to float, cover themselves in therapeutic mud, and bask in the serene atmosphere. Tectonic plate movement formed the Dead Sea, leaving it landlocked and fed by freshwater springs and aquifers. Today, it's a valuable source of salt, potash, magnesium, and other minerals. Speaking of valuable sources, we have the Serengeti wildebeest migration on number 7. Every year, 2 million wildebeest, zebra, and gazelle embark on a circular trek from Tanzania's Serengeti to Kenya's Masai Mara and back again. This remarkable journey is driven by the search for fresh grazing and water. The Serengeti wildebeest migration is widely regarded as the greatest animal migration on Earth, with the largest concentration of wildlife on the planet. The journey begins in the southern Serengeti, where 500,000 wildebeest calves are born between January and March. As the drought sets in, the herd moves north, chomping down the high green grass, followed by gazelles and zebras. Oof! A truly amazing experience. Still on wildlife, we have the Galapagos Islands. Galapagos Islands are a unique group of 127 islands, islets, and rocks located 1,000 kilometers off the coast of Ecuador. This living museum is home to incredible wildlife and stunning creations, with all the islands surrounded by the Galapagos Marine Reserve, one of the largest in the world, with over 2,900 marine species. The wondrous part is that 25% of these marine species cannot be found anywhere else on Earth. The islands are volcanic, formed by the intersection of three tectonic plates: Nazca, Cocos, and Pacific. This geological activity created a stunning landscape with towering volcanoes, lush forests, and beautiful beaches. The Galapagos is inhabited by special species, such as giant tortoises, marine iguanas, blue-footed boobies, sea lions, penguins, and finches that inspired Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. Galapagos offers an unforgettable adventure for nature lovers, with opportunities for trekking, snorkeling, kayaking, and scuba diving among incredible natural beauty. Counting down to the fifth wonder, we have Pamukkale. Pamukkale, also called Turkey's Cotton Castle, is a breathtaking landscape created by natural hot springs flowing down shimmering white travertine terraces. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a marvel of nature, with mineral-rich waters leaving behind a bright white carbonate mineral that resembles a blanket of snow. Pamukkale is massive, measuring over 8,860 feet long, 1,970 feet wide, and 525 feet high, making it visible from 20 miles away. For centuries, visitors have flocked to its hot springs, which range from 35 to 100 degrees Celsius, to relax and rejuvenate. The ancient Romans knew about the healing properties of these minerals, which are said to cure various ailments. You can soak in the warm pools, explore the ancient city of Hierapolis, visit the ruins of the Roman theater and necropolis, and hike through the surrounding hills and villages. The list of amazing things to do here is literally endless. But while it is endless, Victoria Falls is even more wondrous. Victoria Falls is a force of nature, unlike any other. Located on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe in southern Africa, this majestic wonder is the largest sheet of falling water in the world, with a width of 1,708 meters and a height of 108 meters. The falls are a part of the Zambezi River, one of the largest and most spectacular rivers in Africa, which flows through 6 countries. The sheer power of the falls creates a mist that can be seen from miles away, earning it the local name Mosi Ua Tunya, or the smoke that thunders. As you approach the falls, the roar of the water grows louder, and the spray creates a rainbow-colored mist surrounding you. The falls are surrounded by lush rainforest and basalt cliffs, creating a breathtaking, awe-inspiring, and humbling landscape. With its stunning beauty and immense power, Victoria Falls attracts visitors globally. Now, on number 3, we have the Amazon rainforest. First, this is the world's largest intact forest. To put that into perspective, the Amazon rainforest is home to as many living things as you can imagine, with over 24 million people, including hundreds of thousands of indigenous peoples living among its lush canopies. The Amazon contains at least 10% of all the plant and animal species on Earth, including but not limited to 40,000 species of plants, 400 animals, 1,300 bird varieties, and millions of insects. But its significance goes beyond biodiversity. The Amazon plays a major role in sustaining life on Earth, circulating over 20% of the world's oxygen and absorbing and storing a massive 100 billion tons of carbon dioxide, equivalent to 10 years of global emissions. The rainforest also influences rainfall patterns, stabilizing the water cycle and supporting agriculture and drinking water for millions of people. Visitors can hike, camp, explore some of the world's most impressive waterfalls, rivers, and wildlife, stay in eco-lodges, and learn about the forest's secrets and magic. Our second greatest natural wonder of the world is Mount Everest. Named after Sir George Everest, Mount Everest stands at 29,032 feet in the Himalayas, challenging adventurers to reach its summit. Beyond its breathtaking landscapes, Everest is home to many different types of wildlife, including the snow leopard, Himalayan tahr, and red panda. The mountain's icy slopes are draped with the majestic Khumbu Glacier, a frozen river that flows from the highest reaches of the Himalayas. However, the high altitude poses a significant challenge, with thin air that requires climbers to wear oxygen tanks to breathe. Despite the risks, Mount Everest continues to inspire dreamers and adventurers alike, inviting them to witness the world from its highest pinnacle. The best times to visit are during the spring and fall seasons, offering favorable weather conditions for trekking and climbing. Finally, our greatest natural wonder of the world is none other than Antarctica, the coldest continent on Earth. Antarctica, the coldest and driest continent on Earth, surrounds the South Pole and is covered in a thick ice sheet. Containing 90% of the world's ice and 70% of its fresh water, the temperature of this continent drops to -70 degrees Fahrenheit or -57 degrees Celsius, and the sun doesn't rise or set for 6 months. However, somehow, despite the harsh conditions, a diverse range of wildlife, including penguins, seals, and whales, inhabit the Antarctic Peninsula and its surrounding islands. The continent's coastline is also dotted with research stations, where scientists conduct experiments and study the unique environment. Antarctica is a natural wonder, with its ice caves, glaciers, and snow-capped mountains. The continent's remote and inhospitable landscape makes it a challenging destination for tourists, but for those who venture there, it offers a lasting experience. And that's a wrap on the greatest natural wonders of the world, everyone. If you enjoyed this journey, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and share your favorite wonder in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell